Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Markdown Preview Enhanced and opening a Markdown file. This gives you a live canvas. Once done, open the preview pane with the command palette or shortcut so you see changes instantly. Make sure to enable math, diagrams, and code chunk rendering in settings because those control what the preview can display. You want immediate feedback, so configure auto-refresh and file watching now. This prevents stale previews and speeds authoring as you type. You now configure rendering. Pick the engine that matches your target output, such as GitHub-flavored Markdown for compatibility. Then enable plugins like LaTeX, Mermaid, or Plant UML so diagrams and math render correctly. This matters because different projects require different extensions. Adjust visual options, custom CSS, theme, and font size to match your publication style and to prevent layout surprises. Once configured, test a complex block. Because verifying now avoids broken exports later, you finish by exporting your document to the desired format, HTML, PDF, or slides, using the export dialog and checking export options for assets and CSS. Once exported, verify the output and compare it to the live preview so you catch missing images or broken math. If something goes wrong, open the preview source and error console to find plugin or syntax errors. Clearing cache, updating the extension, or toggling specific renderer settings usually resolves common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.